Alright guys, so vitamin C powder, also ascorbic acid with no other scents or anything, just pure ascorbic acid. Like if you look on the back, it'll tell you right here how much per serving. These guys are talking about 5,000 milligrams per one heaping teaspoon. So basically what that breaks down to is it's about 1,000 milligrams per quarter teaspoon, and you need about 50 to dechlorinate and dechloraminate a 5-gallon bucket of water. So let's look at the bucket of gallons. So here's what I do. I don't have a scale to be able to, don't put my face in it, please, to be able to really determine that. But here's a quarter teaspoon. And so what I'll do is I get some in there. I'm looking for about a quarter of this much, which is still way more than enough. I do about between a quarter and a half, something like that. It's hardly any, but that dechlorinates and dechloraminates, takes all the chloramine and the chlorine out of your water within 10 minutes. So I just stir a little in, and get my big stirrer, of course, and whip it up pretty good. But it does take about 10 minutes. It neutralizes the chlorine and everything. So that's what you want to do for your plant water. Now, it's also going to show you. So here's some, this is homemade CalMag, all organic, okay? Derived from eggshells, used Epsom salt for the magnesium. Anyway, I'm gonna shake it up, but just made that today. So CalMag's awesome for every grow, but you wanna do, so they say a tablespoon per gallon. I'm not really gonna do that this go round because I think that this CalMag is stronger. I was supposed to mix 1 to 5 parts when I made it, and I actually mixed about 1 to 1. So I'm gonna do just about a couple heaping ones of this will be plenty. This is 5 gallons of water. Maybe I'll go like 3, And then I'll mix that up, and that'll be good to go to water my plants straight out the bathtub water. So that's how you use, regular tap water. Even if you leave this set for 24 hours, like most growers, if they're using tap water, they'll leave it set for 24 hours. And that does get rid of the chlorine, but it doesn't get rid of the chloramine. So that's chlorine mixed with ammonia, bonded with ammonia to not break down in that evaporative process. So that's important to get out of your plants. But give a good stir, wait about 10 minutes, and I'll go feed that to the plants. They'll love it.